For those who don't know me, who maybe are joining for the first time on these webinars, my name is Joanne Yulan Jong. I'm the founder of Yulan Creative. I'm also the author of a bestseller called The Fashion Switch and insight columnist for Women's Wear Daily. I work here in London. My agency is London based, and we work to help established and up-and-coming lifestyle and fashion businesses become digital-first brands. Do you think that there's been a resistance to regulate it?
Because obviously there's a lot of interest. Fashion companies and huge conglomerates have a lot of power, so they're not interested in becoming transparent. Even though, for example, in Bangladesh, through the pressure of a lot of organizations, the minimum wage has been raised, it's still very far from what a person actually needs to live with dignity. The problem is if someone doesn't get enough money, if mom and dad don't bring enough money and can't get, lunch and dinner together, then they have to send their kids to work. So not paying a living wage means that we are perpetrating child labor.
So 3D is not new. It's been around for probably 20 years in the apparel business. What is new is that Hollywood movie making and gaming technology and 3D are converging. And I get super excited about this because what we are able to do is create in real time product from digital raw materials, a library of digital raw materials, a library of pattern blocks or new patterns to create then 3D that looks, moves, feels, visually feels.
Really real.
Like the real thing. But what's exciting about that is that we're not just bringing the visuals together, we're also bringing all the data around manufacturing. And so when we bring that together, we can then look at margin and costs while we are making decisions visually.
I just noticed because I start actually contributing with them, and I was looking at this cover and I was like, wow, it's I mean, this is an example of what in the fashion, in the magazine world, you can really, use that digital transform actually, the fact that you can't really physically shoot, you can't really go to the New York or to like the crazy location, but you can put it anyway together as an image.